How to fix messages do not send or cannot be received on Samsung phone. So the first thing that you want to do is go back to your home screen and make sure that you have good mobile signal. So here what you want to do is swipe down at the top and turn off Wi-Fi. So we're going to switch off Wi-Fi. When you turn off Wi-Fi, make sure on the status bar that it shows 3G or 4G or 5G mobile data, and make sure that the signal is good. If the signal is weak and you cannot connect to your mobile provider, then you will have an issue with sending or receiving text messages. So that's the first thing that you can do. Also, if on your device your network provider allow you to use Wi-Fi calling, make sure you turn on Wi-Fi calling and see if that helps fix the problem. Another thing that you can do is make sure that your account is in good standing. So you may need to call your network provider and make sure that your account is still active. If for some reason your account has been disabled, then you will not be able to receive or send text messages. From time to time, the text messages can also cause an issue. So in this case, to fix error with your messages app, you can try to clear the app cache. To do that, swipe down at the top, then tap on settings. In settings, we go down and then tap on apps. Now in apps, we scroll down and look for messages. So here is the messages app, tap on it. Then we go down and tap on storage. Next, tap on clear data and clear cache. So you might also need to clear data. And then tap on the home button and restart your text messages. Now in here, you need to log in again if you are using Google Text Messages. Now try to send a text message and see if you can now send and receive text messages. Another thing that you can do is try to restart your device. So swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. So swipe down at the top twice and then tap on the power button. Then tap on restart, then tap on restart. If your text messages still not working, perhaps you may want to check your device and make sure it is not water damaged. What you can do is eject the SIM tray, then turn around. Now depending on which model that you have with your Samsung phone, so you want to look for the water damage indicator. So using a torch, you can see there is a white paper indicator in here. And if it's pink, it is water damage. If it's white, then it is good. Now if you look in here, you can see there is this white spot right there. So that white piece of paper is the liquid damage indicator. If it turns pink, so if that LDI turns pink, that means it's damaged. Now while your SIM card is ejected, you also want to check your SIM card to make sure it is working correctly or if it plays correctly on the SIM tray. So you might want to remove your SIM tray, remove the SIM card, and then reinsert it back in. So make sure it is putting in the correct place, and then reinsert it back into your device. So if it gets stuck, something like this, then it might not work correctly. So make sure it sits nice and flat and correctly inserted into your phone. You may also want to try and call your device, make a phone call and see if the phone call successfully. If you successfully make a phone call, then try to send a text message again. And lastly, if you have recently migrated your phone data and your SIM card from an iPhone over to your Samsung device, then you want to make sure that you have deregister iMessage, because if your SIM card is locked to iMessage, you may have a problem with sending text messages. So make sure you deregister iMessage with your SIM card. And that's it. So hopefully one of the solutions here can fix problem with your messages not sending or not receiving on the Samsung phone. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.